Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jubena Fortuna. Sweet potatoes as cattle crop undergo significant compositional changes during post-harvest curing and storage. Understanding these changes, particularly in carbohydrates metabolism, is crucial for optimizing storage condition and improving quality. The study focuses on six cultivars, analyzing the effect of curing at 32 degrees Celsius, 90% relative humidity for 10 days, and storage 15.6 degrees Celsius, 90% relative humidity up to 46 weeks under carbohydrates compositions. The materials and methods of the study: cultivars 4 orange flesh types, Centennial, Jewel, Jasper, Travis, and 2 white flesh type, Rojo Blanco, White Star, were studied. Conditions: roots were cured and stored with sampling at intervals up to 46 weeks. Analysis: dry weight, monosaccharides, glucose, fructose, sucrose, and alcohol-insoluble solids, largely starch, were measured using chromatography and gravimetric method.
The results of carbohydrate composition at harvest. Dry matter varied significantly, with White Star having the highest and Travis the lowest. Sucrose dominated as the major sugar, while glucose and fructose were present in smaller amounts.
Changes during curing. Sucrose increased across all cultivars, indicating starch degradation. Monosaccharides, glucose, and fructose concentration also rose, consistent with prior findings. AIS showed a decline in orange flesh types attributed to starch breakdown.
3. Storage dynamics. Orange flesh cultivars showed sustained sucrose and total sugar increase for up to 30 to 46 weeks. White flesh cultivars essentially expressed sucrose reduction and IIS synthesis but released trend after 14 weeks, resuming starch breakdown.
Cultivar-specific observations. Travis exhibited the highest sugar content, while White Star had less. Variability in sugar and starch patterns underscores cultivars' dependent metabolism.
Conclusion: curing significantly enhanced sugar contained in all cultivars, particularly successors. Long-term storage maintains sugar accumulation in orange flesh varieties but involves more complex dynamics in white flesh types. These findings suggest that tailored storage protocols can maximize sweet potato quality and marketability.